Starlink software install pending? What to do? If you're running the Speedify app, Speedify will notify you when your Starlink has a software install pending. Speedify constantly monitors your Starlink internet connections for problems and alerts you when there is an issue. If Speedify says that your Starlink has a software install pending, that means your dish has already downloaded new software from Starlink and it's just waiting for an opportunity to install it. Now, normally you don't have to do anything about this. Normally it'll wait till 2, 3, 4 a.m. in your area when you're not busy, and it'll reboot itself, apply the update, briefly do a hardware self-test, and then come back up. If you're in a hurry, or if you think there might be something in the software update that fixes a problem you have, you can reboot your Starlink, and when it comes back up, it'll immediately apply this update, do a hardware self-test, and then in just a few minutes, you should be back up and running with the new software. Now, Speedify does all kinds of cool tricks like connection bonding to improve the performance of your Starlink. If you're using Starlink without Speedify, you probably want to head over to speedify.com and get it installed so that you get alerted when there's an issue. If you're interested in more content about how to get the best out of your Starlink, download Speedify today and subscribe for more.